A very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak a few words about Earth Day. Today is 22nd April, World Earth Day, and this day is celebrated worldwide to protect our planet Earth. This day gives an opportunity to every person in the world to take protective steps for our great planet. We can see that planet Earth is our mother and she has given us food, water and shelter. Hence, it is our responsibility to protect Mother Earth. With the increase in globalization, lots of trees are cut down, oceans are polluted and many animals are becoming extinct. But if we all work together, we can make our planet greener and a happier place. We can take steps like recycling of paper so that lots of trees will be saved. We can plant more trees too. We can reduce the use of plastic and protect the oceans from getting plastic polluted. We also need to keep our environment clean. So, let us all take an oath to keep our environment clean and take every possible action which will protect Earth's atmosphere. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.